Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you add layers to an element's file, you keep increasing the file size. You can then use the merging and flattening features of elements to reduce the number of layers and the overall file size. You can merge several selected layers together to create a single image element. To merge layers, select the layers you want to merge in the Layers panel, and then select Layer, Merge Layers from the menu bar. To merge all visible layers in the Layers panel, first show or hide all of the layers as needed in the Layers panel. Then select Layer, Merge Visible from the menu bar. You can also merge only linked layers together. To do this, select one of the linked layers, and then choose Layer, Merge Linked from the menu bar. In contrast to merging, flattening an image will merge all visible layers into the background layer. This will greatly reduce the file size. When you flatten an image, you discard all hidden layers from the image file and fill in any remaining transparent areas with the color white. This is usually the last step performed when working with an image file after performing all of the necessary editing within the individual layers. To flatten an image, select Layer, Flatten Image from the menu bar.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.